In our featured video today, we're going to learn the symptoms of a bad control arm. But before we go into that, let's first understand what a control arm does. Its main purpose is to connect the vehicle's frame to the steering knuckle, providing support to the suspension system. One side of the control arm has a bushing and the other side has a ball joint. The ball joint allows the wheels to move side to side and up and down, while the bushings reduce noise and vibration while driving. Some designs combine the ball joint and control arm into a single unit. Control arms typically last between 90,000 to 100,000 miles, but this can vary based on road conditions in your area. If this part is very worn, damaged, or bent, it's not safe to drive your car. By the way, I've added some helpful links in the description below, like affordable control arms, bushings, and suspension tools, so you can check prices and get the right parts online if you need them. Now, let's take a look at the most common signs of a bad control arm. Symptom number 1, reduced braking effectiveness. Control arms can impact how your vehicle brakes, even though they're not directly part of the brake system. When the bushings on the arm wear out, braking might not change much, but sometimes it can feel unstable, making the front end bounce back and forth due to inertia. This bouncing can lead to future issues, and the extra vibration could make other parts weaker or even break. Symptom number 2, veering. Due to excessive play, it could sway to one side, the other side, or both, because worn out or damaged control arm bushings or ball joints can create looseness in the suspension. This looseness lets the wheels move inconsistently, causing the car to swerve unexpectedly. It's important to fix this issue quickly to ensure safe driving and prevent more damage to other parts of the suspension. Symptom number 3, rattling over bumps. You'll hear a clunky noise due to excessive play in the bushings or the ball joints that are worn out or become loose. This can cause it to hit other parts or the car's frame when going over bumps, making the clunky noise you hear. It's a pretty good sign of a bad control arm because worn or damaged bushings and ball joints affect the stability and safety of the suspension. Symptom number 4, uneven tire wear. The control arm bushing keeps the two metal sleeves tight, but as they wear down, they start to move and vibrate when the car is driven. The A-arm is connected to the wheels through the outer sleeve, so movement in this part of the suspension can cause the wheels to lose proper contact with the road, leading to uneven wear on the front tires. Since there's a lot of movement in that wheel, moving front, back, up, and down, it creates vibrations while driving. As the tire rotates, it wobbles and doesn't make good contact with the road, which results in uneven tire wear. Symptom number 5, steering wheel shake. If you accelerate from a complete stop, you might notice that the steering is shaky and the front of the car shakes and jitters when you turn quickly or apply the brakes. This is caused by the control arm bushing's excessive play and poor grip on the wheel. Symptom number 6, steering wheel vibration. The steering wheel and the A-arms are directly connected through the steering system, which links to the wheels and then to the suspension. Poor control arm bushings are likely causing your steering wheel to vibrate when turning or braking because they don't absorb the small movements that occur during driving. You can also feel these vibrations in your seat. The vibration happens when something moves back and forth, and excessive play in the ball joint or bushings moving back and forth can create this sensation. Symptom number 7, decreased vehicle stability. If a control arm bushing fails, it affects driving stability. The bushing's job is to hold the control arm steady for stability while driving. As you drive, you might encounter small stones and debris on the road. Normally, your car doesn't vibrate when it rolls over these things because the control arm bushings reduce vibrations. However, if the bushings wear out, driving can become uncomfortable. You might hear rattling sounds, especially when turning your car, which makes driving less enjoyable. How much would it cost to replace a control arm? Replacing a control arm bushing can cost between $120 and $600, depending on the car model and labor rates. Bushings typically range from $20 to $100, with labor costs between $100 and $500. Some car models require replacing the entire control arm because the bushing can't be replaced separately, significantly raising the cost. If you're familiar with cars and suspensions, replacing the bushing or the entire part isn't too difficult. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to like and subscribe so we can assist you. And don't forget, Check the links in the description for recommended tools and replacement parts. It'll save you money and help you get the right fit for your car.